The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Second and Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So on the back you guys might see, Travis. If you guys don't know who Travis is, you might want to go over to Soai Farms. That is the new channel that we started, and yeah, it's basically trying to go off grid, living out here in Jamaica. Like I would say, it's like a little food forest, because you guys know I like doing a lot of food and cooking videos, so why not create our own little space that we can do this, and then you guys can come out here and check it out. Funny story is that Travis is actually a subscriber to the channel, so it has been an amazing vibe. You know, starting this place it's given me so much appreciation, because trust me, seeing clothes on a line in the back has made me feel like there's so much civilization that is coming into place here. If you guys want to see exactly all the details on that, you can go over to that channel. I'll drop the link in the description box and also tag it in the comments so that you guys can go and see for yourself. If you've already subscribed, then you can go and check out the latest episode. So yeah, on the property right now we have there's some cocoa trees. Yeah, some of them I have removed to create more space and add in some more light, and then some of them I've kept behind. There's one somewhere back there that is by itself, it's getting enough sunlight, it's not competing. Yeah, but there's one on the tree right now, it's still green. Kind of cool, right? Living in Jamaica, I have seen quite a bit of cocoa trees, but most of the times they are rotted, so I'd love to have one here that is, you know, always producing fresh fruit that's picked in the right time, you know, free of pests and everything like that. But anyway, today's video is going to give you guys a little insider for those who are already subscribed to Soai Farms on, you know, how we prepare our day. So we're going to be making a simple breakfast, because you don't know, Travis in the back is putting in a bunch of work, so we need to make sure that we eat so that we can actually, you know, work properly. Yeah, today I'm just gonna do something quick and easy, some scrambled eggs and cheese, some bread and some coffee, and that's going to be the vibe. As a subscriber to the channel,
morning, peeps.
What has been the vibe? You've been chilling with me for how long now? 4 days?
4 days.
4 days, what vibe?
Peeps, it's great. Food, everything, great.
Oh, yesterday you had food from Jilly, the stew chicken. Yeah.
Bad. Peeps, anything on step on the video? Real for sure, man.
Vibes.
Bad.
Yeah, so that's amazing. Having the opportunity to hang out with Travis, you know, put in some work with him and stuff. Hopefully whenever this place gets you know, to a better state and more up and running, then I can have the opportunity to meet a lot more of you guys. Anyway, let's get into the quick preparation of this quick meal so we can put in some work. Oh, is that? Perfect. Vibe.
Where?
That's something that I do basically every day that I'm here. I would, well, actually not the exact same routine. I usually take the coldest bottles to the shop, which I'm heading to right now, and I'll pack in some drinks and everything like that. But I'm trying to cut back on expenses, so I actually brought some drinks, threw it into the fridge. But anyway, still going to the shop, nevertheless, to get some things. I need butter for the eggs.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Guys, so just got back from the shop just now. Yeah, super hot, sweating. But can you guys believe that they actually have half stick of butter? Guys, it is ridiculous how tough it's getting in Jamaica. Usually butter is something that I never send to the shop for, but being in the country, yeah, I forgot my butter and yeah, I had to go for it. And usually it comes in this is basically half of the normal stick. The shopkeeper also mentioned to me that, hey, people will even order a half of this to cook. So it shows that in Jamaica things are getting super tough, and that's why on the other channel, Soai Farms, myself as a Jamaican who actually experienced the hard times, I'm trying to find, you know, simple ways to kind of cut back on expenses. It could be, you know, rearing some chickens, you know, growing some tomatoes or lettuce. Fun fact, a lot of times when I go to the store, I buy all these vegetables, and I kid you not, probably like half of it usually spoils. And I'm the kind of guy that I will sometimes put some of them in the freezer and blend it back into smoothies or shakes or whatever, but I also always have some level of wastage, and of course I am wasting money. So yeah, that's the whole idea of that next channel there. And yeah, in Jamaica you can get a quarter stick of butter. Travis, ready to try coffee for your first time?
Right.
Oh.
Oh.
Hope you don't get too much energy in everywhere if I don't get it either.
I think I give you energy to walk the bamboo there, man. And that man,
It.
man. Left on the use or right hand?
Right. Left on your use?
Yeah.
You know, I did that look on yesterday.
You know, so me I wonder from when say, oh, you not ask me say if I left on me. Cause brother, me don't know. People all here, left on the use. Alpha, probably
Is it true me know the bamboo stay?
Yeah.
Some of them need a special way to cut cause it itch up.
Oh,
The thing say you shift your hand to do that.
it's a special way. A special way. Left on the use the true man. People are going to say left on the use.
A bag of city for say about leopard people though.
Oh my youth. Brother, more while me feel like I'm alone in a world use left on another. So I said, dog, I'm here first somebody they use left on, brother. Yeah, man, you hate everything. Left on, left on. It's just, one more other day and then
You know say one in a one part of Ghana then say if you use left hand you can be community leader.
Left hand people have so much something they want. Sorry. Everything. Left hand this, left hand that. Like left hand can't use too. same thing what right hand can do, left hand can do, man. Now say it must use left hand make it not say nothing. Ask it go.
Yo, bro. Ready, you know? Not for you, Mocha.
Alright, what under my boss? What under my general? Simple thing. Alright, let's go. Egg and cheese.
Straight.
Scrambled egg. Bad. Scrambled bread and all. Toast bread peeps.
The dog said you have on the glasses, you feel like a
Contractor.
worky lads.
Yeah man, work your last peeps, I see it.
Just I go mash up my hand right in the pants, you know? Taste it and tell me if it need a more milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
Alright man, maybe it is a man.
Sure.
Blue Mountain Peak. First time I drink coffee. I don't remember I've drinking it before, but nice man, yeah, alright. Bad. Nice. Sickly brain. Aragi brain energy.
Hey. It's a man that come live dog about 10 miles. Look at coffee you drink. My God.
I ramp with them man.
As my friend would have said, mighty God.
Mighty God. Coffee out. Work. 3 chop we a give boy and take them down man. No joke. I mean 3 chop you. Same thing. 3 chop we a give. Watch it. Peeps. Normally more the chop here already. And the boss more than outside. See it there now?
Fine.
Alright, when I mash it, you look one there, can you stop this? Fine, look at mash it. Same day now. Problem, mama. Peep. Tell you what, the coffee at work.
Yo, if you don't want to see more Travis,
We
subscribe to
working.
Soai Farms. He'll be over there.
Working.
Anyway. So you say, watch the video there, man.
Yeah, so me I say.
You
when
experiment.
me watch the video, them and thing.
Yeah.
So me I try experiment them and me yard same way. Like adding some my things that me say when I add in a video. And them I say, Mr. Man, everything in do experiment in our food. Everything in put this in a food, in try experiment for food and thing. When the outcome, them ask some more. Them I say what kind of look a bit me give them. And thing. Me just I say, yeah man. So good food go man, you see me and I really get enough for niceness, you see me? You have to request it back all 2-3 days. Every day you have me to look about it back for you. Yeah man.
Alright, what dish you watch on the videos that you would say was the best one, well received from people who tried it?
Alright, tell you. You have one where you have a macaroni and a mozzarella cheese and
Remember that video there?
them thing there,
Yeah.
you see me? And thing, I tell you say bro. One day when sell off you, gonna lead, yeah. Fried chicken, I tell you, bro. Are you season up your island thing, chicken? Oh my! Yo, then we tell you, then we drop in the comments, say, yo, watch out, this a man of fried chicken are best. But I feel fried chicken are best, me just learn from him. That's it. Yeah.
So, was just cooling off a little bit after drinking that hot coffee. And Travis, me tell you about the coffee, you know. The coffee give Travis so much energy that him basically fall this big old bamboo right on top of the tent and everything. Jano. But anyway, if you guys want to see more of that drama, go over to Soai Farms, check out the videos, show some support, because like I said, we're doing a whole off-grid type setup. We want to catch our own water, naturally sourced. Same thing with electricity, trying to do that from solar power, and also our food. But it's going to take a time. It's an entire journey. And yeah, had some breakfast, and for those who watch Soai Farms already, yeah, that's some of the stuff that we do out here. Eventually when I have a kitchen set up and everything like that, then we can do more crazy outdoor cooking videos. Anyway, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, don't drink too much coffee and keep the link.